New Guinea, a land of mystery, a place where the ancient and the untamed converge in a symphony of life. This island, shrouded in mist and legend, beckons explorers and nature lovers alike, a tapestry of vibrant green, untouched and teeming with life. Every leaf, every branch, every inch of this forest pulses with vitality. The dense greenery forms a living mosaic and a testament to nature's resilience and creativity. This island, the second largest in the world, is home to a rainforest unlike any other. Spanning millions of acres, it is a sanctuary for countless species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The sheer scale and diversity of this ecosystem are staggering. Step into a world where time seems to stand still. The pathways through this jungle are like portals to another era, where the modern world fades away and the primal beauty of nature takes center stage. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the sounds of unseen creatures. Birds call from the treetops, insects buzz in the underbrush, and the rustle of leaves hints at the presence of hidden animals. It's a symphony of life, a constant reminder of the forest's vibrancy. Here, beneath a canopy so dense that sunlight struggles to penetrate, lies a hidden world. The forest floor is a realm of shadows and secrets, where only the hardiest plants and creatures thrive. It's a place of mystery, where every step reveals something new and wondrous. This is a rainforest that has survived millennia, a testament to the power of nature. The ancient trees stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their gnarled trunks and sprawling branches telling stories of resilience and endurance. It is a place where evolution has unfolded in complete isolation, creating a haven for the strange and wonderful. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature here has adapted to this unique environment, resulting in a biodiversity that is both astonishing and fragile. The rainforest of New Guinea is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a living laboratory of unique and endangered species. Scientists and researchers flock here to study its wonders, hoping to unlock the secrets of this natural paradise and find ways to protect it for future generations. It is a stark reminder of the raw beauty and power of the natural world, untouched and untamed. In an age where so much of the planet has been altered by human hands, places like this stand as vital refuges, preserving the essence of what our world once was and what it can still be. Imagine walking through a jungle that has existed for millions of years. Each step you take is a journey back in time, through an ecosystem that has remained largely unchanged since the age of the dinosaurs. The air is thick with the sounds of life, from the distant calls of exotic birds to the rustling of unseen creatures in the undergrowth. Giant trees, their trunks draped in moss and orchids, reach for the sky. These ancient sentinels have stood here for centuries, their roots digging deep into the rich, fertile soil. They form a towering canopy that filters the sunlight, creating a world of dappled shadows and vibrant green hues. The air is thick with the smell of damp earth and decaying leaves, a scent both familiar and ancient. This rich aroma is a testament to the cycle of life and death that sustains the rainforest. Every fallen leaf and decaying log is a source of nutrients, feeding the next generation of plants and animals. This is the heart of New Guinea, a land where time seems to have stood still. Here, the rainforest remains untouched by modern civilization, a pristine wilderness that offers a glimpse into the Earth's distant past. It's a place where the natural world reigns supreme and the rhythms of life continue as they have for millennia. The terrain is as diverse as the life it supports. From dense, impenetrable thickets to open, sunlit glades, the landscape is a patchwork of different habitats. Each area is home to its own unique community of plants and animals, adapted to thrive in their specific environment. Towering mountains, their peaks shrouded in mist, rise from the rainforest floor. These majestic peaks are often hidden from view, cloaked in a veil of clouds that adds to their mystique. They are the guardians of the rainforest, their slopes covered in dense vegetation that provides a haven for countless species. These peaks, some reaching over 16,000 feet, create a diverse range of habitats. The higher elevations are cooler and wetter, home to cloud forests that are often shrouded in mist. Lower down, the climate is warmer and more humid, supporting lush tropical vegetation. From the steamy lowlands to the cool cloud forests, each elevation harbors its own unique collection of life. The lowlands are a hotbed of biodiversity, teeming with insects, birds, and mammals. The cloud forests, with their cooler temperatures and constant moisture, are home to a different array of species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. This is a land of extremes, where beauty and danger coexist in perfect harmony. The rainforest is a place of breathtaking beauty, with its lush vegetation and vibrant wildlife. But it is also a place of danger, where predators lurk in the shadows and the elements can be unforgiving. It is this delicate balance that makes the rainforest such a fascinating and awe-inspiring place. For centuries, the indigenous tribes of New Guinea have lived in harmony with the rainforest. They are the true guardians of this emerald paradise, their lives intricately intertwined with the rhythms of nature. These tribes, some numbering only a few hundred individuals, have developed a deep understanding of the rainforest and its secrets. Their knowledge of the plants and animals is unparalleled. They can identify countless species of trees, each with its unique properties and uses. They know the calls of the birds, the habits of the insects, and the secrets of the forest floor. This knowledge, passed down through generations, is crucial for their survival. It is a way of life that is as ancient as the rainforest itself. The daily life of these tribes is a testament to their deep and enduring connection with nature. Every action, every ritual, and every tradition is intertwined with the natural world around them. They live in small, scattered villages, their homes built from materials gathered from the forest. These materials are not just resources, they are gifts from the earth, carefully chosen and respectfully used. Their lives revolve around the cycles of nature, the rains, the dry season, the fruiting of certain trees. Each season brings its own set of activities and traditions, all of which are crucial for their survival and well-being. They fish in the rivers, hunt in the forest, and gather fruits and nuts from the canopy. These activities are not just means of sustenance, but are also deeply embedded in their cultural practices and knowledge systems. The gathering of fruits and nuts is often a communal activity, bringing together different members of the tribe. It is a time for sharing knowledge, stories, and strengthening social bonds, but their relationship with the forest goes beyond mere sustenance. It is spiritual and sacred. The forest is a living entity, a guardian and a provider. They believe that the spirits of their ancestors reside in the trees, the rivers, and the animals. These spirits guide them, protect them, and are honored through various rituals and ceremonies. They treat the rainforest with respect, taking only what they need and giving back whenever possible. Sustainable practices are not just modern concepts for them, they are ancient traditions passed down through generations. This deep connection with nature is not just a way of life, it is a fundamental part of their culture and identity. It shapes their worldview, their values, and their sense of belonging. Living in harmony with nature is not a choice, but a necessity, a way to honor their past and ensure their future. Section 5. Undiscovered Worlds. The rainforest of New Guinea is a vast and unexplored wilderness. Many of its secrets remain hidden within its dense undergrowth and mist-shrouded mountains. Scientists believe that there are still countless species of plants and animals yet to be discovered here. Every expedition into the heart of this rainforest brings with it the possibility of finding something new. Recently, scientists discovered a new species of tree kangaroo, its fur a striking shade of gold. This find, along with countless others, highlights the incredible biodiversity of this region. It's a stark reminder of how much we still have to learn about the natural world, especially in these remote and untouched corners of our planet. Section 6. A kaleidoscope of life. The rainforest of New Guinea is a haven for some of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. The birds of paradise, with their vibrant plumage and elaborate courtship displays, are a sight to behold. The tree kangaroos, with their long tails and powerful limbs, are masters of their arboreal world. And then there's the cassowary, a flightless bird that can grow up to 6 feet tall. With its sharp claws and cask-like head, it is a powerful symbol of the rainforest's ancient lineage. These are just a few of the thousands of species of animals that call this rainforest home. From tiny insects to giant butterflies, from brightly colored tree frogs to stealthy snakes, the diversity of life here is simply astounding. Section 7. Rivers of Life. The rivers that snake through the rainforest are lifelines for both the wildlife and the indigenous communities. These waterways provide a vital source of fresh water, as well as a means of transportation. The people who live along the rivers depend on them for fishing, bathing, and transportation. The rivers are also important habitats for a wide variety of aquatic life. From freshwater crocodiles to colorful fish, these waterways teem with creatures that have adapted to life in this unique environment. The health of the rainforest is inextricably linked to the health of its rivers. Section 8. A fragile balance. The rainforest of New Guinea, like many rainforests around the world, faces an uncertain future. Deforestation, driven by logging and mining, is eating away at the edges of this once pristine ecosystem. Climate change, with its unpredictable rainfall patterns and rising temperatures, is another threat. The delicate balance of this ecosystem is being disrupted, and the consequences could be devastating. The loss of this rainforest would not only mean the extinction of countless species of plants and animals, but would also have a profound impact on the lives of the indigenous people who call it home. Section 9. Our shared responsibility. The rainforest of New Guinea is a global treasure. It is a reminder of the incredible biodiversity of our planet and the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems. We all have a responsibility to protect this natural wonder, not just for ourselves, but for future generations. By supporting sustainable practices, raising awareness about the threats facing the rainforest, and working to combat climate change, we can all play a part in ensuring that this emerald paradise continues to thrive for centuries to come. Let us be inspired by the ancient wisdom of the indigenous people of New Guinea, who have lived in harmony with nature for millennia. Let us learn from their example and work together to protect this irreplaceable treasure.